We are not given a good life or bad life. We are given a life. It is up to us to make it good or bad. Life is short. Spend it with people who makes you laugh and feel loved. Life is ironic. It takes sadness to know happiness, noise to appreciate silence, and absence to value presence. Pain makes you stronger, fear makes you braver, heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. The art of being happy is to be satisfied with what you have. Happy are those who take life day by day, complain very little, and are thankful for the little things in their life. Speak in such a way that others love to listen to you. Listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. If you don't care about what people think, you already passed the first step of success. There are two types of pain in this world: pain that hurts you and pain that changes you. When the wrong people leave your life, the right things start to happen. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. Never force anything, just let it be. If it is meant to be, it will be. Without struggle, success has no value. Not everyone will understand your journey. Just be yourself and carry on. Never lose faith in yourself. You can do anything in this universe. If you want to be successful, you must respect one rule: never lie to yourself. Life is a circle of happiness, sadness, hard times and good times. If you are going through hard times, have faith that good times are on the way. Believe in yourself, and no one and nothing can stop you. Success is not key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Ardently do today what must be done. Who knows, tomorrow death comes. Delight in meditation and solitude. Compose yourself, be happy. You are a seeker. Even as a solid rock is unshaken by the wind, so are the wise unshaken by praise or blame. You, yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. Work out your own salvation. Do not depend on others. Even death is not feared by one who has lived wisely. We must be diligent today. To wait until tomorrow is too late. Death comes unexpectedly. How can we bargain with it? Life is uncertain. Death is certain. Worrying does not take away tomorrow's trouble. It takes away today's peace. Just breathe. You are strong enough to handle your challenge, wise enough to find solutions to your problems, and capable enough to do whatever needs to be done. If you truly want to change yourself, you first must be willing to change your mind. One of the hardest lessons in life is letting go, whether it is guilt, anger, love, loss or betrayal. Change is never easy. we fight to hold on and we fight to let go. When you let go, you create space for better things to enter your life. No one saves us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We ourselves must walk the path. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. However many holy words you read, however many you speak, what good will they do if you do not act upon them? If you are facing in right direction, all you need to do is keep on walking.